Hey, I'm Katie. I'm an onboarding manager here at BombBomb, and today we'll be talking about how to guide your team to implement and use video. Number 1, get your team behind video. Start by using video yourself. Anytime you'd send an email to someone on your team, try sending a video instead. Also, talk to your team about the reason for the new technology adoption. Not only will it save time, but it's an opportunity to get face-to-face with prospects, customers, and colleagues every day in a human-centered way that builds trust, improves the customer experience, and in turn, lands more deals. Number 2, use your customer success manager as a resource. Your customer success manager is your biggest supporter. They want you to succeed with video. They already know and understand your pain points and specific goals for video messaging. In this article, we've outlined a few ways you can use your CSM as a resource. Number 3, get video integrated into current systems. Most video messaging tools have integrations with many of the software solutions your team already uses. BombBomb, for example, works hand in hand with systems like Salesforce, Outreach, Zendesk, Gmail, and more. Number 4, learn what to say and when to say it together. Start by asking your team to think about some occasions where they could send a video email instead of a traditional one. Then have them spend time creating videos they can use over and over again alongside their plain text emails. Number 5, get everyone comfortable on camera. The number one reason people struggle with adopting video because they feel uncomfortable showcasing their authentic selves. So what are some ways everyone can find their confidence and feel comfortable on camera? Here are some tips to share with your team. If you can't watch yourself on camera without negatively critiquing yourself, don't watch. Quiet the negative and critical voices in your mind. The best way to do this, if you wouldn't say something to a friend or colleague, don't say it to yourself. Focus on the value of what you're providing, and then practice some more. Number 6, bring on your top talent. When you're starting to implement video into your team's everyday workflow, begin with a small group of users. These users should also be some of your top performers. And if possible, they should be people that have a strong influence in your organization too. Number 7, celebrate and incentivize small wins. When your top tier starts seeing success, celebrate their wins and share those with the rest of the team. Incentivizing these wins with a small prize is a great way to encourage your team to use video. So what are some small wins you can celebrate and incentivize? Number of videos sent, positive replies, and the number of opens and plays. Number 8, get everyone on board. After your first users start to see tangible and positive results, it's time to bring on the rest of your team. But first, meet with your top talent and review the videos they've already sent. What kind of videos are they sending the most, and which ones are getting the best responses? Then, create a use case library of these videos so your entire team has access to these as they start recording their own videos. Number 9, fine-tune email structure. To work on improving engagement when you and your team send videos, let your recipient know in the subject line and the plain text body of the email what's in it for them. This is the key to getting them to listen. Another way to encourage recipients to play, focus on your animated preview or GIF. These are the first 3 seconds of your video that reside in the email. This is what people are going to see right away and will help you stand out in a crowded inbox. Number 10, make video a habit for everyone. Once your team has started using video regularly to find long-term success, they have to make it a habit, like making a phone call or sending an email. Encourage your team to document when they feel most comfortable using video and when they don't. Have them continually monitor their progress and what needs work. If you want to learn more about video adoption, check out the link in the description.